happened here today. For us to have 12 eminent aspirants who are qualified shows that Edo will be taken by the grace of God. I want to congratulate all our aspirants for today, and I know by God's grace, one of the 12 people sitting down here today will be the next governor of Edo State. That's our prayer, and that's the prayer of the state right now. I want to thank the National Working Committee, the National Organizing Committee, the Deputy National Organizing Secretary, and the committee for a job well done. I want to, on behalf of all the aspirants and the state, APC, thank you for this job well done.
The screening committee for a job well done. What is now left is to submit all of our candidates, all of our aspirants to the screening members of the party. And if I may go back in time, early days in January, when we held the stakeholders meeting, the stakeholders from Edo State, and immediately after that, the NOS had made the point that we are committed to conducting a free, fair, transparent primaries in Edo State in a manner that any of the 12 that emerge as our candidates would also have the support of the other 11, so that we can go into the election as a united body and a party to clinch the election in Edo State, where we are in no position, but we are party in government at the center. The point is also made that, and we guaranteed that it's only the national body, National Working Committee, that have the power to conduct a screening exercise, and we completed that exercise today. The next would then be the Delegates Congress, which will be conducted on Monday. I want to believe for those of you who do not yet have in front of them, and actually should have it in front of you, the schedule that we have produced and published that will lead us to the conduct of the primaries on the 17th of this month. Please do have it ready and handy, and always refer to it. We are working closely with the state chairman, the acting chairman of the party in Edo, and we brief him constantly on the steps that we are taking, being taken by the NWC to ensure a free, fair, transparent primary in the state. Where you are in doubt, please make a call to the state chairman. And if you cannot reach him, we are more than happy, full of National Organizing Secretary and myself, to answer any question at any point in time. That being said, we would like to wish all of you the very best, and then continue to enjoin you to conduct yourself as members of the party in an atmosphere that is devoid of rancor, in a friendly atmosphere. We now call on the mediating compare to bring this event to a closure. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. God bless Edo State. God bless APC. God bless Nigeria.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.